My love for food is endless. I love involving myself with food at any given moment. My earliest, and I would say the finest food memories I have, is of the time that I spent with my weekend chef, my dad. He would cook for the entire family on weekends, and his specialty is that he can take any available ingredient and find a way to turn it into a hearty meal. My dad is my inspiration when it comes to cooking. He instilled the importance of food in my life, how food can bring peace, happiness, and satisfaction to whoever consumes it. Just like my dad's cooking spoke to me in a certain way, when you create a dish and present it, you are essentially communicating your thoughts on that plate. Tex-Mex food may seem very simple, but its ingredients are complex in flavors. I love the idea of how a modest taco shell packs within itself an explosion of rich and exciting flavors. I believe that simple food speaks the loudest. It communicates a genuine feeling of warmth and love.